Hi, and thanks for watching this video, which is about a new toy I bought for my Atari called the SDrive-Max. Basically, it's a replacement for the 1050 floppy disk drive. You might have seen some of the videos where I've been trying to load original disks with varying success, but this completely replaces that and can load files from an SD card directly into the back of the 800. And in fact, it doesn't even need a power supply because the SIO cable also powers this device and completely emulates a 1050 drive. In fact, multiple 1050 drives, because you've got the disk 0 down to disk 4, which is mountable. And when you first switch the machine on with the S drive connected, what you get is a utility, a file explorer that loads and then allows you to control with the 800 and navigate essentially the SD card. So if I click on, say, freeware, I can do that. But even better than that, though, if I so wish, actually using the Atari is pretty easy. But if I wanted to, if I can zoom in on here and get it to focus, we might be able to see that I can click with the pen that's provided. I can actually select files for myself directly through the S drive. So it's got a little navigator built into this screen, which I think is absolutely fantastic. So if I click on that one, there's a bit of information in the bottom there which says this is the file name, and I can now click on OK. And if I do that, it will mount that file on that drive 1. So now if I press reset on the Atari and start it again, what we'll see it do is, you can see here, it's loading from this file. It's already loaded the start screen, and there's a bit of a pause. You can see what this is, Jetset Willy. And while that's doing some setup, I'll just explain that essentially what will happen next is the next part of this loader will then load the main program. And what this is a remake of Jetset Willy for the Atari from about 2007, I think. And this came free with the S drive, so it already came with a 16 gig SD card, which was amazing, but I didn't realise. Plus, it's got software pre-installed on it, free software like this, so you can just get going without any further need to load anything yourself. You can just start. I don't know why it takes so long to load. I don't know where it's waiting for a key press. I just pressed the key and now it's loading. But what we'll see in a moment is the full game. And I won't play the game here. I just wanted to show the S drive. It's just an awesome piece of kit. You know, £40 from eBay, came within a week, comes with an SD card, comes with software already pre-installed, and completely just emulates a 1050, no trouble at all. And we do need to play this, right? So here we go. Just let's give it a go. So this is a remake of Jetset Willy. Looks pretty good graphically, and sound-wise, of course, it's quite funky. Quite like the fact that the sound on the Atari is being made use of, but the rest of it is pretty much looks very accurate to the Spectrum version. I wouldn't know for sure because I didn't own a Spectrum. But there we go. That is the SDrive-Max for the Atari 800. Thoroughly recommend it.